Hello everyone. These are the 30 most commonly used Hindi words and their correct pronunciation in native Hindi language. These verbs, I have mentioned the Hindi word root of those verbs. So these are as follows. Play. Play is khel. Khel. Speak is bol. Read is पढ़ पढ़. Go is जा जा. Eat is खा खा. Sleep is सो. Laugh is हंस हंस. Run is दौड़ दौड़. Purchase is खरीद खरीद. Give is दे. Happen is हो. Ask is पूछ पूछ. Fight is लड़ लड़. Know is जान जान. Wash is धो. See is देख. Listen is सुन. Write is लिख. Come is आ. Drink is पी. Wake is उठ. Cry is रो. Walk is चल. Wear is पहन. Take is ले. Stop is रुक. Open is खोल. Fly is उड़ उड़. Sing is गा. Make is बना.